how to use host key on Zoom. Hi guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will teach you how you can use host key on Zoom. So if you're not the host and then you wish to become the host by using the host key, it's very simple. Just to watch this video to the end. The first step is to log in into your Zoom account. Once you're logged in, you'll be brought to the page where you would see the Zoom logo by the top right corner. Then you'll see some options, product, solutions, resources. Then you'll see some tabs as well in the sidebar menu, such as home, profile, meetings, webinars, etc. Then once you can see this, the next step for you to do is to join a meeting. Okay, so how can you join a meeting? Go to the top right corner and click on join. And then once you click on join, you'll be brought to this page where you'll be asked to join a meeting using the meeting ID or the personal link name. So once you've inputted the meeting ID here, click on join. Then after clicking on join, you'll be taken to the page, to the meetings page. Now at the lower part of the screen, just like on this page at the lower part here, you would see the meeting controls. Right now, select or click the participant icon, and then once you click on it, the participants panel will appear by the right side of the screen. Once you see this, just scroll down until you get to the bottom part of the participants list. All right, so once you scroll down and you get to the bottom part of the participants list, you will see the option claim hosts. All right, click on it, and then a field will be displayed. In this field, enter in the host key and then click on claim host, and just like that, host will be claimed. All right, so that is the major function of the host key, and that is how you can use it. Okay, so just go to the bottom part of the participant, click on claim host, enter the key, and the host would be claimed. Thanks for watching, and do have a nice day.